So for our dedicated Patreon subscribers, our #1 fly fishing spot so far this season has without a doubt been Hey, it's Matt here from Trout Tales. We're about late October here, so we're about 3 months into the season now. Things are really starting to warm up a bit with the weather, which is great. Starting to see a few insect hatches and a few fish rising as well intermittently in the right weather conditions, which is great to see. Really good sign for the dry fly fishing season ahead. Still having good success up on the lakes fishing wet flies, both from the boat and the shore, so that's been good. Lock style fishing's probably been the most productive in terms of fish numbers, so we're starting to get a few more options with the weather warming up. We're up here on the river today, so starting to have a look at some river fishing too, and yeah, fish taking nymphs mostly at the moment in the rivers, which is still good fun, and hopefully they start looking up for some dries in the next sort of few weeks as well. There we go. So for November, we're really starting to look for some feeding fish actively rising. So we're looking for dry fly fishing coming into November. So we're really going to be looking to those spots that we think that there might be some early dry fly activity. And that's really going to give us a good indication of what the fish are up to. And it's obviously great to be catching them on dry flies as well. So get out into those spots where you're likely to see some dry fly fishing activity, and you should have some success throughout November and into December as well. Yeah, some good signs, plenty of water around still. So we had all of the good rain in September, which was really good. And there's still plenty of water around here too in both the lakes and the rivers. So again, that's a really promising sign for the summer ahead. So it should be a fantastic dry fly fishing season. Get over to Tassie and check it out for yourself.